5. I gotta stay on my 2 Corinthians 13 and 5. Everybody say that they can't wait. But would you be ready if he came back today? You better take advantage of this grace and check your spirit before it's too late. And I examine myself every day, and I examine myself. Am I in the faith? I don't wanna be reprobate. I don't wanna be reprobate. Prove your own self. Don't you know your own self? To gain eternal existence, you gotta be consistent in keeping the laws. Get discipline from the scriptures and check your spirit. Be diligent, never fear it. The fire will make you purer. Be a doer, not just a hearer. Living in this critical error, straight from the laws, and that's a suicidal error. Get your mind right before the hour of terror. Procrastinate and be destroyed in your security. To save your life, you need to eat eggs, and Miami. Sometimes I try to justify my sins, but no excuses will be heard in the end. Sometimes I try to justify my sin, but no excuses will be heard in the end. So I examine myself every day, and I examine myself. Am I in the faith? I don't wanna be reprobate. I don't wanna be reprobate. Prove your own self. Don't you know your own self?
Da 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 dee dee, da 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 dee dee. I don't wanna be a slave no more. I don't wanna be a slave no more. I don't wanna be a slave no more. Cause I'm sure this ain't what the most I gave us life for. I'm sure. Don't wanna be a slave no more. Don't wanna be a slave no more. Rolling down the road, yeah. Rolling down the road, yeah. They say me have to stop, but me have to go, yeah. They say me have to stop, but me have to go, yeah. They said I'm gonna flop, but I tell them no. They say I'm gonna flop because I'm rolling down the road. They got us in the chokehold, my dog. Mad. We don't wanna work, but we need the paper. Mad. Grind so hard, I pray a change will come. Mad. Father in heaven, can you please help us? Please. They got us in the chokehold, my dog. We don't wanna work, but we need the paper. Mad. Grind so hard, I pray a change will come. Mad. Father in heaven, can you please help us? Can you please help us? I don't wanna be a slave no more. I don't wanna be a slave. I don't wanna be a slave no more. I don't wanna be a slave no more. Cause I'm sure this ain't what the most I gave us life for. I'm sure. I'm down the road, rolling down the road. Yeah. They say me have to stop, but me have to go. Yeah. They say me have to stop, but me have to go. They say I'm gonna flop, but I tell them no. They say I'm gonna flop because I'm rolling down the road. They say I'm gonna flop. We don't wanna work, but we need the pay. We don't wanna work so hard, I pray that change will come. Father in heaven, can you please help us? They got us in the chokehold, my dog. We don't wanna work, but we need the paper. Crying so hard, I pray that change will come. Father in heaven, can you please help us? Can you please help us?
When I think about the sacrifices, all that we've been through, wish I could give everything to you. The one who keeps me going, my mama, adore you. I want you to know, I want you to know. It wasn't always easy, used to fall out for no reason. Problem child with a vision, mama never left me out. Listen to them, no matter what, you my number one fan. Ring you when I need a friend. Mama, folk, my toe, yeah. You never listen to them, no matter what, you my number one fan. Ring you when I need a friend. Mama, folk, my toe, yeah. When I think about the sacrifices, all that we've been through, wish I could give everything to you.